Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can back up money.com. So here in money.com you have to go to your profile and then you have to go to administration. Here you have to press account and you have to scroll down, and here you will get this export button. You just have to press this export button, and once you press that button it will send a link to your email. As you can see, I pressed that export button and it sent an link to my email, and I can use that download link to download all of my account's data. So this way I can have my data in a zip file and I can use it as a backup in case my money.com gets deleted or whatever. So this is how you create a backup of your money.com. It will basically send your download link, and that link will create a zip file with all of your account's data that you can use to recover your account. So this way you can create a backup in money.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.